This is the LawnMaster electric lawnmower model MEB1114K. Are you ready for today's unboxing? Let's go.
Hi there, I'm LJ with today's adventure stop, and it's a little different adventure, and it's one of those unboxing videos I like to do every once in a while to show you a product that you may or may not enjoy. So this here is one of the cheaper lawnmowers you can find on Amazon. Not absolutely the cheapest. You can actually find the Sunjo brand for about $85, but it's a little bit smaller and a little bit less power. So this one is the 15-inch with, I believe, 12 amps of power, which equates to about 1200 watts approximately, if I can do the math right. And so this here is the corded version, and if I could do anything and change anything in the past of buying this, actually I would probably spring a little more for the uncorded or battery charged model. It does get in the way a little bit, but if you have a smaller yard, this definitely will do the job for you. Priced in at $129 minus a $10 coupon. It came in at $119, and I actually had like a little $20 gift card. So with everything, tax and free shipping, this ran me about $109. But again, the standard is about $119 plus tax for this. There is the blade, which isn't really easily replaceable for what I understand, and the height is easily adjustable with this lever. All you do is push the button, pull the lever back, and the engine starts up. And don't get me wrong, this thing is definitely small. It has only a 15-inch cutting path, and most lawnmowers have about a 21-inch cutting path. So it's small, but it's lightweight and weighing in only about 28 pounds or so. All in all, if you have a small area, definitely this is for you for $119. If you have anything bigger, a bigger area to cut, I definitely get something a little bit bigger and battery operated. But for the price and value, it definitely does the job. If you like this video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Subscribe down below. And as always, I wasn't paid or sponsored by this video for this product review. I just think it's something that you should probably pick up if this suits your needs.
What do you think of the lawnmower? Is it good? Should you buy it? He's saying yes, he approves. Yes.
And again, I'm LJ. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.